Super quick. Polyhedra. What are they? A singular polyhedra is polyhedron. All right. What do we got here? We got three-dimensional shapes whose faces, the flat surfaces that make it up, the faces are polygons. Polygons can't have like curved edges, so no circles or ovals, but just the straight lines that make up these polygon faces. All these faces connect to make this three-dimensional shape called a polyhedron. All right. So we have two special types that we're going to be focusing on: prisms. Prisms which have identical bases. Sometimes we say parallel congruent bases. Okay, the top of this nut is the same as the bottom. The shape is a hexagon up here, hexagon on the bottom, and then you'll see the faces that wrap around are all rectangles. Here's a pentagonal base, and on the bottom it'd be a pentagon. So there we go. These, what we call lateral faces, are all rectangles. Let's look at some examples. Here's a triangular prism. Watch this. You see three rectangles wrap around these two triangular bases. Ready, set, go. Ooh, nice. Very cool. All right, now this, we can play with this. We have the edges. No, sorry, vertices I just clicked on, the corners. We have the edges, which are the green there. Say green, blue, green, blue. And then we have the faces, the flat surfaces. All right. So what are the bases? They're the two identical faces that are opposite each other. And we can look at a pentagonal prism. You can see the two bases here, the pentagons, and those rectangles fold up and around. Awesome. All right, we can check out the vertices. We can check out the faces. We can check out the edges. All right, edges. Slow down. All right, edges. Great. Octagonal prism. Why is it called an octagonal prism? Because of those two identical octagonal bases. 8 sides, so octagon. All right, so that gives you an idea. And now I'll zip over to our pyramids. So instead of two bases, we just have one base, one polygon base, and it's surrounded by triangles that go up to a point called the apex, or just the vertex. We can call it just an important vertex. Now, it's a little bit easier to see if we go to one of these. So you can see that base there, the pentagon, and it only triangles off of its edges. And when we put it together, those triangles come up to form a pentagonal pyramid. Beautiful. We can see the faces. We can see the vertices. We can see the edges. All right. And then let's look at another one. So we've got a rectangular pyramid. You see there's the rectangle. And then what are all the other faces? Boom, 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 boom. Triangles. Watch it. Watch it. Here it goes. Woohoo. Cool. That's so cool. All right, now this one can be a little bit tricky because it's all triangles, but you can see in the net here, that's a nice word to know, the net, that in the middle there's that triangle, and then all the other triangles fold up to create that triangular pyramid. All right, so we have our basics here. Hopefully that helps. Good luck on the lesson.